The IMD has forecast above normal rain in July and sent out alerts for central India, Uttarakhand and Haryana. While there were mild showers in Delhi, waterlogging has been reported from various parts of Jharkhand's Kolhan region, and several districts of Punjab and Haryana received heavy rains as well. In Madhya Pradesh, 21 districts experienced very heavy rains. Water from the Kodhar river overflowed, leading to widespread crop damage. Alerts there have been issued for people of low-lying areas to shift to relief camps that have been set up. Devotees there visited the Jatashankar Dham temple to mark the auspicious occasion of Sawan. Here are, in fact, the visuals. We show you how water from the overflowing ponds and springs nearby gushes into the dham as devotees offer prayers. Heavy to very heavy rains were experienced all across Uttarakhand. In Haridwar, the water levels of the Ganga are rising steadily. The local administration, in fact, is on full alert to ensure that all necessary arrangements are in place for any emergency. The officials have been deployed in areas adjoining the Ganga. Also, they are carrying out mock drills and cautioning residents of the area through loudspeakers, and also ensuring pharmacies are fittingly stocked, as also, in fact, food supply would be needed. In Himachal Pradesh, which has already suffered severe devastation from initial monsoon rains, showers reduced in intensity in Simla as the day wore on. Heavy rains were recorded in Mandi, Kangra, Bilaspur, Solan, Hamirpur, Chamba and Palampur. These are in fact some of the visuals that we are getting you from some parts of the country. Monsoon continues to wreak havoc across India. These visuals there from Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh and other parts of India as well. And the situation in fact remains grim. Rescue and relief operations there currently underway, and there in fact the deadly visual, house collapsing in no time. In fact, these rains have been wreaking havoc in Himachal Pradesh particularly, and these visuals they're coming in from Simla, where we show you how rains in fact relentless rain there in fact have caused several houses to collapse, and this terrifying footage there. Just take a look at these visuals, a house coming crashing down as relentless rain weakens its foundation. Within seconds, viewers, the structure collapses like a pack of cards. We still do not have any confirmation on the number of casualties, but it is, in fact, this incident has been caught on camera. Raging rains there reduce this house to a rubble. Monsoon in full swing, with its fury being felt across the country. The IMD has forecast above normal rainfall for July and also issued alerts for several states, especially in central India, Uttarakhand and Haryana. Up in the hills of Himachal Pradesh, already bruised by early monsoon havoc, fresh spells of rains there were recorded in several districts. And this is the situation. Of course, we will continue to track these developments very closely for all our viewers and get you the latest on Monsoon Mayhem.